Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn Class 8 Subject Chemistry Chapter Phosphorus, and this is part 6. This is our part 6. So let's start learning. We will learn uses of phosphoric acid. Uses of phosphoric acid. So, first uses pharmaceutical preparation. Second is manufacture of phosphates and phosphatic manures. Third is superphosphate of lime. Superphosphate of lime. Phosphate of lime. Superphosphate of lime is manufactured by mixing the powdered phosphorite or bone ash with sulfuric acid Ca3PO4 2 plus 2H2SO4 plus 5H2O. This gives CaH2PO4 2 dot H2O plus 2CaSO4 dot 2H2O. It is used as a good phosphatic fertilizer. I hope you have understood till this. At this point, we have ended the explanation of this chapter. Now we will learn some solved question, and this will be the last part of this chapter. So question number 1 is, what is the role of coke in the preparation of phosphorus by electrical method? Answer. Coke C acts as a reducing agent and removes oxygen from P4O10 to form phosphorus, and it itself forms carbon monoxide. P4O10 plus 10C gives P4 plus 10CO. Second question is, phosphorus glows in dark. Explain. Answer. Phosphorus undergoes spontaneous slow oxidation in air, giving greenish glow visible in darkness. This is called chemiluminescence or phosphorescence. Sorry. Third question is, write the balanced equation for the reaction of phosphorus with chlorine. Answer. Phosphorus reacts with chlorine at room temperature, and at first it forms phosphorus trichloride and then phosphorus pentachloride. Reaction 2p plus 3Cl2 gives 2pCl3. PCl3 plus Cl2 gives PCl5. Now the fourth question is, why is only yellow phosphorus but not red phosphorus kept under water? So yellow phosphorus is very reactive. Ignition temperature 30 degrees Celsius towards air, whereas red phosphorus is quite unreactive. Ignition temperature 260 degrees Celsius. Thus, to avoid contact of yellow phosphorus with air, it is kept under water. Next question is, red phosphorus is a denser, less volatile, and chemically less reactive than white phosphorus. Explain. So, answer is red phosphorus exists in chains of P4 tetrahedron linked together, whereas in white phosphorus 4 individual phosphorus atoms are held together by weak van der Waals forces. This makes red phosphorus denser and less reactive. Another question is, red phosphorus is used for making matches. Explain. So, answer is, red phosphorus is non-poisonous and has high ignition temperature. Hence, it is used in making matches. Next question. Another question is, write the equation which involves an action of heat on phosphorus acid. Solution: 4H3PO3 gives 3H3PO4 plus PH3. And the last question is, what happens when P2O5 is treated with first cold water, second hot water? In answer, phosphorus pentoxide has very high affinity towards water. In first, when treated with cold water, it dissolves in cold water to form metaphosphoric acid HPO3. The reaction is P2O5 plus H2O and gives 2HPO3. Second, when treated with hot water, P2O5 gives phosphoric acid. P2O5 plus 3H2O gives 2H3PO4. Like this, there is reaction, and here we will end this chapter with all previous year solved questions and etc. I hope you have understood this whole chapter of chemistry. For any queries and doubt, please join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like this is the foundation of class 8. We have covered the foundation of class 7th too. The links are given in the description of this video. Please go and check through it. I hope you have understood this. Let's meet in another part of class 8. Different subjects are available with their chapter, like science, in that chemistry, physics, biology, then maths, and then mental ability. The videos are on the channel. I hope you have understood till this. Thank you for watching.